Hello everybody, my name is Max and I'm part of the robotics team 6299 Quad X. And this year we're making a video series to teach you all about the importance and how to do robotics. So for our first video, it's a software basics video about how to actually code the robot as a whole. Now in this video we're going to actually, the intense code process, but more along the lines of the actual game itself and how code integrates into that. So there are two main parts of the software experience in robotics. The first part is autonomous, followed by teleop. Let's start with autonomous. Autonomous code is the part that starts at the beginning of the game, and it takes 30 seconds to complete. In the autonomous code, the robot will be moving automatically as you will have no control over the robot. So in this portion, you must use pre-programmed commands in order to move the robot. Now, how you do this is a very weird procedure called PID, which we'll get into later on in the year. But for now, just know it's pre-programmed instructions that you yourself code. And as you can see here, the drivers are not at all moving their sticks or buttons. The robot is moving on its own. Now, the second part of the robotics game is the teleop portion. In this portion, the driver will move the robot manually, and they will use the sticks and buttons to control the different lifts, arms, wheels, whatever you have in your robot. As you can see here in the game shown, the drivers are moving their sticks and buttons and the robots are moving correlatorily. So that is the basics of the robotics game, but how do you actually go about doing that? Well, step one is to actually code the robot. This is done on a platform called Android Studio, which there will be instructions on how to download next week or whenever this gets uploaded. The second portion of how to code the robot is working with teammates. Now, it's vital in robotics to work with others, work in tandem or a team or whatever you plan to do. To do this, we use this thing called GitHub, and as you can see here, it stores all of the code in a repository which can be pulled and pushed by people respectively. That way, you can work easily in tandem with your teammates or partners. So that is the basics of how to do software. We'll come to you later with more software and hardware and general robotics goodness. Thank you all. Have a great day.